afternoon, everybody. Happy Freedom Friday to everyone. I'm Lynette Barnard, a rank 11 wealth engineer and founder of Team Eagle. Every Friday, I love creating a space where we can have honest conversations about wealth, purpose, and freedom. But I truly believe that freedom is not something you wait for at the age of 65. Most people look forward to retirement, thinking that's when they'll finally have the freedom to make their own choices. But let me ask you this. What will your retirement look like if you don't have the money to truly enjoy your life? Freedom is something you build, not just want, you work towards it. Today's topic is one that changed my entire life. The Freedom Formula. 3 steps to build an income that outlives you. It's not a theory. It's something I've lived. See, when I started out, I wasn't looking for a hobby. I was looking for a way to stop worrying about bills, about what happened when we retire, and about whether I could ever truly rest. Can you relate to that feeling? That quiet fear that if you stop working, everything stops with you. That's why this conversation is so important, because the goal is not just to make money. The goal is to create income that keeps coming in, even if you take a step back. So today, I'll walk you through the 3 steps that form the Freedom Formula, the exact steps I followed to build an income that now grows every single month. And for those who don't know me yet, I'm Lynette Barnard from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. And for 9.5 years, almost 10 years, I'm helping entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals build recurring income online without selling a thing. Yes, without selling a thing. I show people how to create financial freedom using a hybrid financial platform so they can live debt-free, stress-free on their own terms. Type freedom if you're watching live or replay if you're catching this later. I'd love to welcome you. Now a special welcome to my guests, Tibogang, nice seeing you here, Magda Creer, and Belinda as always, welcome on board. I trust that you will enjoy the time with me and get some insightful tips and information that can help you make better decisions. So let's dive into the steps. Steps 1 is you must build on the right foundation. If you have ever built a house or even watched one being built, you know how important it is that the foundation is strong and right. You can buy the best paint, the most beautiful roof tiles, and the most expensive furniture. But if the foundation is weak, the house won't last. And the same goes for your income. Most people build their financial lives on unstable foundations. They trade hours for rands. When the hour stops, the income stops. Or they try all these funny Mickey Mouse things, thinking they're going to make lots of money. And that's why step 1 in the Freedom Formula is building on the right foundation. And that is recurring income. Recurring income means your income keeps flowing month after month from the same effort you made once. Think about that. You do the work once, but you get paid again and again and again. Now that doesn't mean it's easy, but it's simple. It's truly simple, but it's still work. In my case, I found a system that rewards me for sharing information, not selling or recruiting. With the Dew Point Wealth Creation System, a licensed and regulated and registered financial service provider. Their FSP number is 50318. I get paid a recurring lead fee for every product paid in my own distribution channel. Not for once-off commissions, not a get-rich-quick bonus, a monthly recurring payment. Today, yes, today is my 116th payday in a row, and there is no reason why this monthly payments won't go on for the rest of my life, and then my children can take over where I left off, unlike what you can do with your job. This is an intergenerational business. I love it. This spells generational wealth to me, and that's the foundation of real financial freedom. Something that keeps working even when you don't. Let me give you a practical example. Imagine you share the information with 10 customers this month. 5 of them register, and each connects one of DealPoint's products for R299. And you earn R55 per product per month. Now that's R275 a month from something you did once. But next month, if they keep their products active, you earn another R275 without doing anything extra. Add more customers and that amount compounds. And when those people start sharing information, your income multiplies through your distribution channel. That's how your foundation becomes stronger month by month. The key word here is consistency, because this isn't a sprint, it's a structure you are building for your family's future. Think about this. Would you rather chase once-off income for the next 30 years or build something that keeps paying you even if you're no longer chasing it? Step 2, leverage the system, not your time. Step 2 of the freedom formula is leverage. This one's close to my heart because it's the reason I no longer live under time pressure. Before I discovered asset-based income, I believed, like most people, that to earn more, I had to work more. But the problem is, time runs out. There are only 24 hours in a day. You can't multiply yourself. That's why wealthy people don't sell their time. They build systems. Systems are what allow you to be paid by many people's activity, not just your own. The DealPoint system is a perfect example. When you share information and others connect to the DealPoint products, you start building a distribution channel. These are not employees or recruits. They are independent wealth engineers just like you, choosing to build their own income. DealPoint takes care of the admin, the product delivery, the compliance, and the payouts. You simply share information. The system does the heavy lifting. That's how I was able to grow my income month after month, even while traveling, even while spending time with my grandchildren. I'm not working harder, I'm working smarter through a system that multiplies my effort. And this is where I want you to ask yourself honestly, is your current income structure something that grows when you rest? Or does it stop the moment you stop? Because real freedom comes when your income continues, regardless of your daily activities. That is leverage. That is power. That's step 2 of the freedom formula. Now, step 3 is stay consistent. Momentum creates freedom. Now, let's talk about the final step, consistency. If the foundation is recurring income and the structure is leverage, Consistency is the cement that holds it all together. Let me be honest. There were months where I wanted to give up. I stayed stuck at rank 3 for a whole year. But I kept sharing information. I stayed plugged in. It amazes me how often I hear people wonder why they aren't seeing results in their Dew Point business, yet they haven't fully attended the events, engaged with the system, or put in the necessary effort. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme where you buy your product and something miraculously the money will end up in your bank account. I've never seen that happen, but people think this is how real money works. I've never seen it happen. Every day you show up, you do the work, and at the end of the month you receive your salary. Not so. That's the natural exchange. You are rewarded for your efforts. But in Dew Point, it's no different. The difference is here, you have freedom and flexibility, which also means responsibility. You are not forced to do anything. No one is standing over you, but your results are directly tied to the actions you take. If you don't take consistent steps, attend events, share information, and engage with the system, it's natural that your income won't grow. That's not punishment, that's reality. Success doesn't come from hoping or wishing. It comes from showing up, being consistent, and taking ownership of your actions. There's no such thing as a free lunch, whether in your job or in building any business. The good news? When you do take responsibility and put in the effort, the rewards are limitless, recurring, and life-changing. Ask yourself, are you ready to show up for your own future? Or will you keep wondering why results don't appear? Because that's exactly what I decided to do. Take full responsibility for my actions and my results. And that decision changed everything. And then everything began to compound. After 18 months of procrastination, I finally made the decision to commit fully with Dew Point. I had been stuck at rank 3 for a year, constantly questioning myself. Did I make the right choice by joining Dew Point? Am I really capable of building this business? Those doubts were heavy, but I refused to let them stop me. I decided to take ownership of my actions and my results, and that choice changed everything. 9 months later, I reached rank 9, and suddenly the pieces started falling into place. Luxury trips abroad every year become a reality. Yes, this year we're going to Seychelles. We are leaving on the 7th of December. A 5-star family holiday. It's amazing. And I could then see the true potential of the system. 7 months after that, I hit rank 10, earning a 50,000 Rand cash bonus. And we traveled to the UK to visit my children and my grandchildren, creating memories that money alone can never buy. Just 5 months later, I achieved rank 11, earning a free 250,000 Rand car. It wasn't luck. It was the result of showing up, stay consistent, and believing. I strongly believe in this, believing in the process when I had doubts. Looking back now, I realize success doesn't happen overnight, but when you commit fully, everything compounds beautifully. When I reached rank 9, I turned to my friend Roelof and said, "This is just the beginning. And I have only really started." and I still hold that view today. I am just in the beginning. There's a long way ahead of us, but a beautiful way. But it all began with consistency. Every small action, every conversation, every presentation was a brick in the wall of my future freedom. The beautiful thing is, once momentum built, your growth becomes unstoppable. Your channel expands, your income grows, and your confidence skyrockets. That's when I realized you're no longer working for money. Your money is working for you. That's true financial freedom. No boss, no retirement necessary. Nobody can retrench, retire, or even fire me again. This is just freedom on your own terms. So let's recap the freedom formula. Step 1, build on the right foundation, recurring income. Step 2, leverage systems, not your time. And step 3, stay consistent because momentum creates freedom. If you apply these 3 steps, you'll start building an income that outlives you. Now I know some of you are thinking, Lynette, that sounds amazing, but I have no time and no money to start. And that's exactly why I created my brand new guide. I am launching it today. No time, no money, no problem. It's completely free and shows how I started when I had nothing but determination and belief. It will help you take your first step in building your own distribution channel, even with limited time and resources. You can get it at https://go.lynnettebaardnorth.com/no-time. I repeat, my name is Lynette, LINNETTEBADENHORST.com and then /no-time. Or simply comment no time below and I will send it to you personally. If this message speaks to you, I want you to personally invite you to take the next step. Attend my daily wealth mastery sessions on Zoom, Tuesdays to Sundays at 19:30 and Fridays tonight at 1800. Just send me a WhatsApp with the word wealth to 082-783-5661 and I can send you the link. And it's free. And join me right here every Friday at 1500 South African time for Freedom Friday, where we dig deeper into real wealth strategies. But you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery, for more content. That's where I share weekly insights, tools, and real strategies to help you escape the 9-to-5 trap and build recurring income that gives you freedom. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you never miss a session. That way, even if life gets busy, you'll always have access to practical, step-by-step guidance on your journey to financial independence. But you can also follow my Facebook page. My handle is at Second Income Stream, 2 with a ND, Second Income Stream, to stay updated with live sessions, success stories, and practical tips. I'm posting every day since 2017. There's a lot of stuff there. But now let's talk about the nice one, the lucky, super lucky number 7 incentive. How about getting a 7,000 Rand cash bonus this week? For 18 weeks, DewPoint is running a weekly 7,000 Rand cash draw from September 25 to January 2026. By having your product paid and registering others who also pay, you could earn multiple entries into each week's draw. So, if you join today, pay your product tomorrow, and then get 1 or 2 or 3 customers or more to join and pay their products before Tuesday, and you will have 1 or 2 or 3 or how many you enter entries or more into the lucky draw, and the same applies to them. 7,000 Rand is not too shabby, Nige, I must say. The best part, while building entries, you are also building a reliable monthly income stream with free training and support. WhatsApp Lucky number 7 to 082 783 5661 so that I can send you full details. So here's the takeaway. True security comes from ownership and recurring income, from building assets that belongs to you, grow over time and cannot be taken away. Remember to visit my blog on LynetteBadenhorst.com/blogs for more of the same topics. And remember, you don't have to quit your job, but you do need to start building your own channel and your own income. I love the fact that I'm saving money and making money due to the product option I have chose, and you can do the same. The sooner you start, the sooner your income can grow, and that's when financial freedom becomes real. Remember, financial freedom isn't luck, it's built, one consistent step at a time. I'm cheering for you. Thank you guys for joining me. I will contact all of you, and you must have a wonderful day. Until next time, keep believing, keep building, and never stop reaching for freedom. I'm Lynette Badenhorst, and this has been your Freedom Friday for today. Bye for now.